I was like, can I see them? And she's like, yeah. She says, know my secret? I said, what? And she said, coffee grind. And you could smell the coffee. She said she dilutes it and soaks them and then puts the wet grinds on. I was like, I'll try it. I was amazed. Oh, they were big and beautiful and colorful. And she had like every variety, because there's thousands of varieties. She must have had 30 varieties of orchids. I was in my field day. I was having a ball looking at those orchids. And what else?
Yeah, that's what I'm understanding.
Yeah, it does.
I'm not sure I put a red.
Well, no, most of it maybe is gone. Yeah, but and they were wet. They were wet used coffee grinds.
Yeah, going back, you said the Gnats that I had those at my office. How are those?
It's hard, and keep maybe put a plastic bag over it with just a little hole. Keep it moist, but keep it away from your other plants because they jump around. I've never had them in the store. I don't know how to get rid of them, to be honest with you, because I've never had them. Once you get them, I mean the little gnats. Once you get them, they're tough.
It's a plug-in little thing that has sticky paper on it, and the blue light attracts them because I have 3 in my house because of all my plants.
Yeah, I've used them too, and they do work with the open all.
For the gnats?
Yeah. I'm in the back office, but like we have like probably 25 plants. They like the money trees and like things like that. And we have them, and they get back to my office eventually, and they're always just right in my face. We're on a web call or something like that, and I'm like trying to do this, but also have a conversation.
That works great.
We have a container that has a really small hole in the top, you know, kind of one of these indented holes. I put
vinegar.
I put vinegar in there, balsamic vinegar, inside. They go in. They
can't get out. Yeah.
And usually it's those barky trees. If you get like a dish garden has 6-8 different plants already potted up, you won't really see them in that too much. But anything with the bark, the money tree has the bark. They live in that because the bark is moist, and they love to live in those little nooks and crannies.
Plants too. That's what I should get. Yeah, everyone else has like plants around their office. I don't do that, but I should get them.
There's a rage now. Everybody's calling for a monkeywort or a frogwort, something. It's like a sticky plant, like a Venus flytrap, only it doesn't close, but it has one single beautiful little pink or purple flower, and all the leaves, just this big. No, totally different. And the leaves are sticky, and they stick to that. And the thing evidently bends down and dies, and that's how they eat the. But yeah, it's a new. But I can't get them. Something wort. I can't get them.
Eat those bugs?
That plant eats them.
They don't just stick and
The
stay
pitcher
there?
plant he's talking about.
You can't get it.
I could get them. They were on Amazon as the only place I could find them. But I really, when I saw the size and the pricing and all, I was like, who the hell's going to get these? One of my girlfriends asked for her girlfriend at work, and then I started getting phone calls for them. But I had to buy 50 at a time. I don't want 50.
They need some dormant time per year. I had a couple that didn't.
But the pitcher plant?
No, I had something else. The one that has all those little
The
stickers
problem
on
is
it.
you need enough bugs in it to survive.
Yeah.
You can feed them artificial.
You can feed it a piece of meat, hamburger meat. It'll close up. And it will.
These little pellets.
It rots. If you have a big one, like some of the pitcher plants, I love pitcher plants. I sell them as fast as I get them. People who know what they are snatch them right up because you don't get them often.